Hello, fellow CFK lockdown buddies. All right, so I'm here today for your Tuesday workout from the wonderful Fecker Basement. So, as normal, we're going to start out with a little warm up. You're going to go through it 2 times through. All right, so you're going to start out with 10 push ups. I know everybody's really loving the push ups, but we want to make sure that we're using good form when we do those push-ups. Keep those elbows in close to the side when you're doing those, all right? So 10 of those, followed by 15 air squats. Once again, make sure you're using good form, getting that hip crease all the way down below knee level, all right? Followed by 15 V-ups. Okay? Then 20 mountain climbers. When we do the mountain climbers, we want to bring our foot all the way up to our hand. So that foot should be planted right there by the hand each time we do those. All right. And then finally, 20 jumping jacks. And that's it for the warm-up. Next thing you're going to do is a little bit of mobility. So for the mobility, we are going to do dynamic pigeon pose. By dynamic, that means we're going to be moving around, doing a little noodling and fidgeting and so forth, all right? So do at least 1 minute on each leg, preferably about 2 minutes. On one leg and then switch to the other. All right, so that's it for the warm-up. Okay, so for today's actual WOD, you're going to do a 20-minute AMRAP of 10 chair dips, 20 weighted glute bridges, 30 double unders or 30 jumping jacks, or 60 single unders. Then you're going to do 10 weighted rows, then 20 weighted reverse lunges, and then finally finishing up with 30 double unders or 30 jumping jacks or 60 single unders again, all right? So for those chair dips, all right? So that's the way to do those. Just get a chair, just like so. Ideally, we want to put the legs out straight. We're taking it down till the upper arm is parallel with the floor and then pressing it up, all right? If you're having a difficult time doing them with straight legs, bring your legs in. That's kind of the scale version. That'll make it a little bit easier so that you can get through those, okay? So next thing you're going to do is weighted glute bridges, and if you've got that weighted pants or backpack that you used the other day, you're going to use these again. All right, so 20 glute bridges. All right, so for those glute bridges, want to bring the feet up close to the butt as much as possible, close as possible, and then we're just going to raise up, squeeze the glutes at the top. All right, 20 of those. Followed by your double unders or jumping jacks or single unders. Then you're going to do 10 weighted rows. Once again, we'll use our weighted object here. Want to keep that back nice and flat. Just extending those arms all the way out straight, pulling up to the chest, and squeezing those back muscles each time. All right? So you'll do 10 of those, and then we're going to go right into the reverse lunges. So once again, you're going to use that same weight, and we're going to do reverse lunges, stepping back, then forward. So 20 of those, 10 each leg, followed by the double unders or jumping jacks or single unders again. All right, so that's it for the workout for today. Okay, then the final thing for the day, the optional type thing, we're going to do, once again, static holds. So for this one, we're going to do 3 static holds of planks, all right? So for the first minute, or excuse me, for the first maximum amount of time, we're going to do straight arm, double arm plank holds, all right? So we want a nice tight straight plank position. You're going to hold it as long as you can. When you come down, you'll look at your timer, take 1 minute rest, all right? After that 1 minute rest, then you're going to do either a left leg or left arm, I should say, plank hold, all right? Ideally, arm overhead. You're going to hold that as long as possible. All right, and then take another minute rest, and then finally do the other arm. I'm real graceful here. So holding it once again as long as you can. All right, once you come down, then you'll add up. Well, you can look at your timer and just convert that all over to seconds. For every second you are in that plank position, plus the 2 1 minute rest periods, you get to add those in. And so it's 1 second equals 1 rep. That's going to be the score you enter. All right, let's see who's got the best plank.